My dear students, competitive chemistry, for competitive chemistry exams, focus. You see, A, B, C, D, four reactions were given. Among four reactions, which reaction shows disproportionate reaction? Which reaction undergo disproportionate reaction? You know what is disproportionate reaction? In a chemical reaction, an element undergo both oxidation and reduction. That reaction is said to be disproportionate reaction. An element undergo both oxidation and reduction. What is oxidation? If an element oxidation number increases, that is said to be oxidation. Element oxidation number decreased, that is said to be reduction. So oxidation means oxidation number increases, reduction means oxidation number decreased. So same element in a chemical reaction undergo both oxidation and reduction. That reaction is said to be disproportionation reaction. Okay. You see chlorine oxidation number 0. You see sodium chloride. Chlorine react with sodium hydroxide. Hot, cold, dilute sodium hydroxide. Cold dilute sodium hydroxide. If you go for cold dilute sodium hydroxide, we have sodium chloride, sodium hypochlorite, water. If you go for hot concentrated NaOH, we have sodium chloride, water. Here cold dilute NaOH. Chlorine react with cold dilute NaOH. We have sodium chloride, sodium hypochlorite, water. You see chlorine oxidation number 0 here in elementary state, free state 0. Here sodium chloride, sodium plus 1, alkali metal, chlorine minus 1. Sodium hypochlorite, oxygen minus 2, sodium plus 1. So chlorine no doubt plus 1. So 0 to minus 1 decreased. Oxidation number decreased. So this is called reduction. 0 to plus 1 oxidation number, chlorine oxidation number 0 to plus 1 increased. So that is called oxidation. So same element, that is chlorine, undergo both oxidation and reduction. So this is a disproportionation reaction. A is the right answer. B, decomposition of H2O2 gives H2O plus O2. Peroxide's oxygen shows minus 1. Please note it. In peroxide, oxygen shows minus 1. Superoxide, oxygen shows minus 1 by 2. Normal oxide, oxygen shows minus 2. Fluorine oxide, oxygen shows plus 2. F2O2 plus 1. F2O2 plus 1. F2O plus 2. Okay. Here peroxide, oxygen shows minus 1 to normal oxide minus 2. Minus 1 to minus 2 decrease. So that is called reduction. Here minus 1. Here the elementary state, free state. So 0. Minus 1 to 0, that is called oxidation number increased. So same oxygen here minus 2. Here minus 1. Minus 1 to minus 2 decrease, so that is reduction. Here minus 1, here 0 increase, that is called oxidation. So this also same element undergoes in a chemical reaction both oxidation and reduction. So that reaction is said to be disproportionate reaction. Here potassium permanganate decomposition K2MnO4 and MnO2 plus O2. Here manganese oxidation number plus 7. You can calculate. Potassium plus 1, oxygen minus 2. If you calculate, oxygen have plus 7. Here K2MnO4, oxygen minus 2, potassium plus 1. If you do this problem, manganese plus 6, MnO2, manganese plus 4. So plus 7 to plus 6 decreased, okay. That is reduction. Plus 7 to plus 4 also decreased. Here decreased, here also decreased. Here there is no question of increased. There is no question of oxidation. Here oxidation number 7 to 6 decreasing. Here oxidation number 7 to 4 also decreasing. Both shows reduction reaction. Oxidation number decreased. Both shows reduction reaction. So this is not at all a disproportionation reaction. Okay. Here decreased, here also decreased. So this is reduction reaction. So this chemical reaction, manganese will not undergo both oxidation and reduction. So this reaction is not said to be disproportionate reaction. This reaction shows Mn6, if you calculate Mn6, here Mn7, 6 to 7 increased, that is called oxidation. Here Mn6, here Mn about to 4, manganese dioxide 4, Mn shows 4, 6 to 4 decreased, that is nothing but reduction. 6 to 7 increase, that is nothing but oxidation. So same manganese element undergoes both oxidation and reduction. So that reaction is called disproportionate reaction. A, B, D are the right answer. They show disproportionation. This is wrong answer. This reaction will not undergo oxidation, only reduction. So this is not said to be disproportionate. A, B, D are right answer. Thank you. Like, share, subscribe.